All right, let's get practicing in QuickBooks Online. Grab the link below so that you can follow along. All right, here we are in the QBO gym, and the QBO gym is really just a set of exercises that help simulate real life scenarios that you may encounter as a bookkeeper. And every month we come out with new exercises that are broken down into 4 categories, and within each category are the exercises themselves. So today we are going to be focusing on the July warm-up section. At the top here, we have a video about Craig and what's going on in his world that month. He is our fictitious business owner. An interactive quiz is a little bit further down to test your knowledge on what you just watched in the video. And then further down are all of those exercises. So today we are going to be practicing making the journal entry. We are going to be working in the sample company. This is where we always work. You will need to be in the same session of the sample company that you used for the previous exercise. So if you have not done that exercise yet, go ahead and click on that one first. There's a link right up above, and complete that exercise first and then come back to this one. All right, so our scenario today is that Craig decided to try and sell some of his leftover plants at a farmer's market. This turned out to be a pretty good way for him to offload materials that he bought for landscaping jobs but didn't get used. For this first trip, he only accepted cash. Craig has left you a note for reference. We're going to go grab a copy of that back in the gym in one moment. But since he doesn't have specific products that he was selling, nor did he track the names of each individual customer, we can use a journal entry to credit the money to his plants and soil account directly. So let's go ahead back to the gym, scroll up underneath the animated video here. There is this button that says Market Note. Click on that. And this is the note that Craig has left you. It simply says market, plants, and it was $712 in cash that he received. So how do we create that journal entry? Well, to start, we are going to click on the plus new button and then select journal entry. So here I am in the sample company. This is where I left off from the previous exercise. That's why I'm on this page. So on the left nav bar, click on the plus new. Under other, click on journal entry. And this is what will appear. Go ahead, for the purposes of this exercise, leave the default date as is. In a real life scenario though, the date should match the date of the sale. In the journal number field, we are going to enter July market. Keep in mind that it's always a good idea to name your journal entries so that you can easily refer to them later. So up here in this journal number field, go ahead and type in July market. And then in the first account field, we are going to select landscaping services, job materials, plants, and soil. In the credit field, $712, since that's the cash. And then in the description field, we're going to enter market plant sales. So in here, go ahead and click in, and I'm going to type in plants since that's kind of unique. And you'll see the 2 accounts are showing up here. The first one is an expense account and the second one is an income account. Since he received $712 in cash, we are going to, of course, select income. So click the second one. He received the $712, so go in the credit. And then we said that the description was going to be market plant sales. And now we need to add the name, which we are going to put as market customers. And that's because Craig did not capture the names of the individual customers or sales at the market. So creating this new customer is just to group all of them together. So to do that, we are going to click into it, type market customers, and then you're going to do this plus add new. And the customer record is going to show up. We are not going to enter anything else in here. This is just a general customer for grouping for his market. And so all we're going to do is click save, which is the green button down here. And now that has been added. And now we just need to fill out that second line. And because this is cash that needs to be deposited, in the account field, we are going to select undeposited funds. And that is because that is the holding account until Craig has deposited all of that money. And then when we do that, you will see that QBO completes the remainder of the line, and we're just going to need to add market customers. So here on line 2, click into it. Go ahead and type in undeposited. There it is. Oh, if I spelled it correctly, it would stay there. There we go. Undeposited funds. It automatically fills in this $712 because debits and credits always have to match. And then the description got pulled down for market plant sales. And then again, this relates to the market customers. So go ahead, type in market. You will now see that it says market customers. Click on that. And then the last thing we are going to do is just save and close, which is the green button down here. So click on that. And that journal entry has been saved. And if you have any questions about the QBO gym, just go ahead and click on the link below. Be sure to leave this session of the sample company open, as you will need it for our next exercise in the warm-up section, which is all about adding expenses. And I will see you in that next video.